Have you ever wondered how a wallet gets all of its addresses and private keys for all of its assets? If so, then this video is for you. Let's dive in. In simple terms, a derivation path is like a roadmap that tells your wallet how to locate specific private and public keys. It's a structured sequence of numbers and possible apostrophes that guide your wallet to the exact location where your keys are derived. When you set up a wallet, a master seed is generated from your recovery phrase. Now, this seed serves as the foundation for deriving all of your private and public keys. The derivation path then provides instructions for your wallet to locate and derive keys generated from this master seed. To help, imagine your wallet as a large office building with many different rooms and mailboxes inside each room. The master seed is like the building's main address, and the derivation path is that sign on the wall with specific instructions that guide you to particular rooms and mailboxes inside the building. Now, let's look at an example. Here's the derivation path for legacy Bitcoin. It looks pretty random, right? But it's actually quite organized. The M stands for the root of the path. It's the master seed derived from your recovery phrase and is at the very top of the hierarchy. The segment containing the 44 indicates the purpose. This means the path follows the bit 44 standard, which structures hierarchical key derivation for multiple coins and accounts, helping to ensure compatibility across different wallets. The next segment is the coin type, where 0 represents Bitcoin. Different numbers in this segment would represent other cryptocurrencies. For example, Ethereum is represented by 60 and Solana by 501. Next, we have the account index. This segment represents the account in the wallet, 0 being the first. You could have multiple accounts under the same recovery phrase, and this number would increase for each additional account. In Exodus, this number represents the number of your wallet's portfolios. The next segment represents the change index. Now, this can only be either 0 or 1, depending on whether it is a normal receive address or a change address. 0 is used when you want to receive funds from other wallets. As an example, a friend sending you Bitcoin. A number 1 only applies to UTXO assets like Bitcoin and Litecoin. Finally, the last segment is the address index. Now, this represents the specific address within your account, with 0 being your first address. Other addresses would then increase this number incrementally. Now, if you're wondering what the apostrophe in the path means, it indicates hardened derivation, meaning an extra layer of security was added to the key generation process. So, for example, if one of your private keys is exposed, the remaining keys up the chain are still safeguarded. Understanding derivation paths is important for several reasons. The most important being compatibility when it comes time to recover a wallet that you may have lost access to. Different wallets could use different derivation paths, so understanding yours, along with knowing your recovery phrase, is essential to restoring your wallet in a different app or device. TLDR, they're the roadmaps that guide your wallet to the right addresses and keys. Thanks for watching, everybody, and if you'd like to learn more about managing your cryptocurrency, please click any of these videos to keep watching.